Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. It's time of the year, February, and what happens? Everybody's freezing. I'm freezing, that's for sure. My poor Sequoia's freezing. And I hope you feel warmer than I feel today. And it's not only hard for us, but it's also really hard for our automotive batteries because they are really challenged by this hard and cold weather. And it means my wife's truck's battery starting giving her trouble, and considering that the battery is already 8 years old, it was definitely time to replace it. And as usually, the whole search started for me with shopping around and doing little research what I can get for how much. And basically in this video I would like to save you all that time I did today in the case you need a battery for your car, truck, SUV. I called all the automotive aftermarket stores which are in our area, and the cheapest battery for my wife's truck was always around $129. As a Costco member, of course, I knew I will call Costco too, and they were basically the last. Last but not least, and not surprisingly, Costco had the best price and also best numbers when I compare all those batteries. So what did I get? This is what they are selling. Let me show you. This battery actually was $86 plus tax. Instead of $129, I really paid for this 86 plus tax. And I paid only that money because I already knew there is a core charge. Costco charges for batteries $15. So if you don't bring immediately your old one, if you can't do that, you will have to pay $15 core, and you can bring it later and get that refunded. The other stores, all the other ones, the core charge was $18. Not only the price was better, also the parameters, the performance of the battery was better. The other suppliers were offering battery with approximately 600 cold cranking amps, right? That's the number which has here CCA written next to it. And as you can see, this battery actually has 700 CCA. And I wasn't sure, I couldn't really find it online, what was the replacement warranties for the other batteries, but as you can see right here, this one has 42 months free replacement. So as you can see, it was really easy to make a decision and drive to the Costco with the old battery and get this one. And I just wanted to share all this with you in the case you have the same problem in this harsh time of the year. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you are subscribed. I have a lot of tech coming your way soon.